Subway launches $3.99 protein pockets. For years, Subway has been the go-to for the $5 footlong and the ritual of watching someone build your sandwich exactly how you want it. But the chain's been experimenting beyond its bread and cold cuts comfort zone lately. The Submarine Haunt just added 4 new items to its menu this week, expanding its wrap lineup with a new product it's calling Protein Pockets. The items, priced at $3.99 each, are available nationwide. Subway says each wrap contains more than 20 grams of protein. The Protein Pockets, which are built with meat, vegetables, sauce, and cheese, much like the ingredients used across the chain's sandwich menu, are smaller than a traditional wrap and folded into a soft tortilla. There are 4 variations: Baja Chicken, which includes grilled chicken, Monterey cheddar, lettuce, Roma tomatoes, jalapenos, and Baja Chipotle sauce. Another variant, the Peppercorn Ranch Chicken, pairs grilled chicken with peppercorn ranch, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, and the same cheese. A third option, the Italian Trio, combines ham, pepperoni, and Genoa salami with provolone, garlic aioli, banana peppers, lettuce, and Roma tomatoes. The fourth, Turkey and Ham, features oven-roasted turkey and Black Forest ham with provolone, honey mustard, lettuce, pickles, and Roma tomatoes. In addition to the new wraps, Subway also launched a daily promotion, Sub of the Day, tied to 6-inch sandwiches on January 8th. Under the deal, one rotating 6-inch sub will be priced at $4.99 each day. The offer does not apply to footlongs, though.